All right, this is Olive. She's one of our smaller puppies in the litter. She'll probably be in the low 30s, maybe probably 30 to 35 pound range. She likes to lay on her back and get belly rubs, as you can see. She has a pretty medium energy level, maybe slightly lower than the middle on the scale of how energetic she is. Yes, she's so sweet. Yes. She just has a really nice middle of the road temperament. She has a little bit of white on her chin right here, and a little tiny line on her chest. It's almost like a spot instead of a line.
Good girl. Good girl. Okay. Sit. Yes. Sit. Yeah. Whoop. Sit. Sit. Let's try again.
This is our first solo training session, right?
Sit. Yes.
That's pretty good for the first time.
Good girl.